Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this video. First, subscribe to my channel. I was up a little earlier this morning, about 30 minutes earlier. I probably got up around 4:15. So I had a little extra time, so I decided to turn on the news. And I usually don't watch the news because as soon as you turn it on, it's just a lot of negative stuff, everything. And as soon as I turn it on, the first thing they start discussing was vaccine passports, that the government or maybe other countries are going to try to make people have this app on your phone to prove that you have been vaccinated with either Pfizer, Moderna, or Johnson, whatever vaccines they have out today. And I figured this stuff was going to come out, so they're going to, before you can get on cruises, maybe go to other countries, eventually they probably going to get it to where you're going to have this app to go into a grocery store. It's pretty sad to say, but what if you already had COVID and you recovered from it and you tested negative? Will they accept that? A lot of people have had this virus and don't even know they had it. And they may have the immunities, the antibodies in their blood. And it's a simple test to where you can give blood and they can find out if you have antibodies for it. Will that be accepted? What you guys think? I don't think they probably would accept that either, because they probably want everybody to be vaccinated or get this injection vaccine. Here's some of the news that I've heard. So leave comments and also subscribe to my channel.
Vaccine passports. Are we going to need those? Arthur Kaplan's here, professor of medical ethics at the NYU Grossman School of Medicine. Arthur, thank you. Practically, they make sense, obviously, but ethically, what are the pros and cons of these immunity passports?
Hey, Shep, thanks for having me. Well, the downside, a lot of people are going to know where you've been, where you're going. Government will know. Obviously, the health system may know if they have to verify the shots. So you're going to lose some privacy. And the downside is I'm sure some folks are going to get into forging and lying and trying to, sell a vaccine passport. But I don't think that's going to stop this. I'll make a prediction. We'll have vaccine passports here by the fall, certainly by next year. Airlines, cruise ships, hotels, gyms, bars, they're all going to say, look, in order for us to tell our customers that it's safe, we want to see that passport. Absolutely coming.